Hey, hi. Did y'all see the video of the black girl and her landlord? And he was saying, girl, you already did it 2 times with me. Just drop them draws and let's do it again. And you can pay me back the rent later. Later. So I'm not going to get it for free. But anyways, and she was like, no, ew, I don't want to do it anymore. You're as old as my dad. And he was like, you've done it before. But she said, the only reason that this is happening is because she lost her job recently, and I'm assuming recently, probably like 2 months ago. She said it. I'm trying to find a video. I cannot find it because everybody is stitching her video, but they're not tagging her. So I can't find it to show you guys, but I'm going to find it. But if you find it before me, please put it in the comment section. But yeah. And then he said, girl, you got about 5 minutes to either drop these draws or you're going to get kicked out. And so she said, I'm going to tell your wife, which is why she was recording it. And he was like, I don't care. I'll kick her out too. I'll pay her rent. So I'm going to kick her out and I'm going to kick you out. And she just kept saying she don't want to do it. And he was like, look, like basically, if it's going to make you feel better, I'll take you out on a date.